Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money through ClickBank. First, understand that ClickBank is a massive online marketplace connecting product creators with affiliates like you. You'll promote digital products, such as ebooks or software, and earn a commission for every sale you generate. It's a straightforward process. Find a product, get your unique affiliate link, and drive traffic to it. Many affiliates find success by focusing on specific niches and building trust with their audience. Choosing the right product is crucial for your success. When browsing the ClickBank marketplace, pay close attention to the gravity score, which shows how many affiliates are successfully selling that product. A gravity score above 50 often indicates a good opportunity. Also, thoroughly review the product sales page and any available customer testimonials. Opting for products with recurring commissions, like subscriptions, can provide a steady, predictable income stream over time, maximizing your efforts. Once you have a product, the next step is driving targeted traffic to your affiliate link. Free methods include creating valuable blog content, engaging on social media platforms, and producing YouTube videos. For faster results, paid advertising through Google Ads or Facebook ads can be effective, but requires careful budget management. Building an email list is also highly recommended. It allows you to communicate directly with interested prospects and promote various offers over time, building a loyal audience. To truly maximize your earnings, continuous optimization is key. Always track your campaigns using analytics to understand where your traffic is coming from and which strategies are converting. Experiment with different headlines, ad creatives, and landing page layouts to improve your conversion rates. Once you find a winning formula, don't hesitate to reinvest a portion of your profits back into scaling those successful campaigns. This iterative process of testing, tracking, and scaling will significantly boost your ClickBank income.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.